This is a summary question which talks about how pain is one unpleasant experience and boredom is another unpleasant experience which is faced by man. And boredom, it talks about boredom, and it says that many philosophers and artists have said that boredom is useful. So this is essentially the idea that we want to represent in a summary. Option A says there are more unpleasant experiences than humans are subject to than just pain. Boredom is one of them, and many philosophers and writers endorse this. So when we say many philosophers and writers endorse this, the sentence would actually mean that they endorse the fact that boredom is another unpleasant experience. Although this is correct according to the first few lines of the passage, but this is not the summary or the main idea, because the summary of this passage would go beyond saying that boredom is an unpleasant experience. It will talk about its usefulness. Option B says boredom is a useful though an unpleasant experience. This is why many philosophers and authors say that it is essential to a happy life and good art. Now, the passage primarily says that philosophers and artists have supported the cause of boredom. An author is just an observer to this fact. This statement, this option B is correct because author also presents this idea in the same way. Option D, although it's very similar but is incorrect because it presents the idea of usefulness of boredom as author's perspective, and philosophers are used to only endorse this. Wherein the author is saying that it is the idea of many philosophers and artists that boredom is a useful experience. Hence, option D would be incorrect and B would be correct. Option C again is incorrect because the way it's written, it says the comment of famous philosophers and writers seem to suggest that it is a beneficial to both life and art. Now, it refers here to pain and not to boredom, hence option C will also become incorrect.